Hello everyone. This question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of rational number. This is second question of its exercise 1.2. So the question says that represent minus 2 by 11, comma minus 5 by 11, comma minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So firstly हम एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. 0 एंड -1. सो इससे हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में 11 है, सो हम इसे 11 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 एंड 11. सो ये जाएगा हमारे पास -1 by 11, -2 by 11, -3 by 11, -4 by 11, -5 by 11, -6 by 11, -7 by 11, -8 by 11, -9 by 11, -10 by 11 एंड -11 by 11. सो ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास -1. हमें यहाँ रिप्रेजेंट करना है -2 by 11. सो हो जाएगा 1 2. सो दिस पॉइंट विल बी -2 by 11, -2 by 11, then -5 by 11. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this will be -5 by 11 and -9 by 11. So ये 9th number पे है. So this line will be -9 by 11. So ये हमने रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया है these three numbers on this number line. Thank you.